Hi guys, I hope y'all had good holidays. With the holidays coming, I had like an extra bag of cranberries, and this lady was talking about how she was growing cranberries. I'm like, who the hell does that? And then I said, well shit, I could do that. So anyway, I follow how she did it, and she basically just cut the little cranberry, cut it open, and she took a little toothpick and got out the seeds, and then she put it on a piece of paper, and she was like, okay, put it in a bag the typical way. And I did the same, and I got some sprouts, y'all. Can y'all, I always got my lighting all messed up, but if y'all can see, I got some sprouts. It's so simple. As far as how cranberries grow and stuff, I don't know. I'm gonna figure this out. I got enough to figure it out. But yeah, you just cut it open and take out the little seeds. Let me see here if I can get one. See that? And they sprout. Just stick it on a paper towel. Wet the paper towel and stick that inside of a sandwich bag. I have plenty. So I will keep you guys updated on how it goes, because I've done this before with what else do you could do this with peppers, you could do it with eggplants, kiwis, papayas. You could all grow that stuff that way. So it's pretty easy. It's a good way to start stuff if you're not a person. Even if you don't have dirt right now, you gotta wait till next payday to buy a bag of dirt. I know everybody don't struggle like that, but I have my moments, so you know. But that's the easy way to start seeds up. And if you like do that, you put 10 seeds on a paper towel like that. And if you have 10 and 9 of them germinate, then you have like a 90% chance of germination. If you put 10 and 5 of them germinate, then you have a 50-50. So that's also how people do their what's it called, like a seed germination rate. That's how that's done. But anyway, in general, I will update you guys when I figure out how this goes and when I get the true leaves. If I don't update you guys, it ain't work. But I hope it works for you. All right, leave a comment below. Bye-bye.